I'm going to cook a dish today which is really spicy. I'm going to do some nice chili chicken. I've got a boneless chicken breast here, and at an angle, just run the chopper. So you get nice thin slices. Yeah. So we have got the sliced chicken now in here. Let's keep it all in here. I'm going to add some chopped garlic. I'm going to add some salt. I'm adding a bit of corn flour. Just going to mix it through nicely so that all my chicken is covered with the corn flour. And we'll drop the chicken pieces one by one directly into hot oil. And believe me guys, this doesn't take too long to cook. The chicken should be ready anytime. With the sauce now, around 2 tablespoons of oil into this. So I'm just going to take the chicken out. Once the chicken gets this color, and even if it is slightly raw, let's say if it's 80 to 85% cooked, the rest it will cook in the sauce. So I'm just chopping and slitting few green chilies. So 2 to 3 red chilies as well. Start with some garlic. Just needs to sweat a bit. Then the chilies. They go in all. Bell peppers. You can always add some green if you find it tough to get red. So let's toss it a bit. Nice. Yeah, so once my peppers and the garlic is sauteed, I add in my chicken into this. Lovely. So a little bit of chili sauce. Some water to coat my chicken and the veggies, not to make a gravy. Again with a stem of celery. This is more for the flavor. So some nicely chopped celery into this. So a little bit of dark soy sauce. My personal twist into this, a little bit of smoky barbecue sauce, a little bit of salt again, some nicely cracked pepper. We'll give it a stir. Corn flour and water mix immediately into my chili chicken, and you can see it will immediately go thick and gives it a nice coating consistency. A little bit sugar can always do. And here we go. Chili chicken is ready in minutes. Nothing to worry about. Some spring onion. Here we have it. A little bit into this. A quick stir once again. So I'm making it dry. If you want to have it like a gravy, make it slightly thinner. That is the chili chicken. Lovely. Can't really get better than this. All yours.